Welcome to my channel, Flights Assistance. How to book wheelchair in Emirates flight while a flight booking. Booking a wheelchair service with Emirates while making a flight reservation is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide along with 10 essential points to keep in mind when requesting this assistance. 1. Start by booking your flight online. Begin by choosing your flight through the Emirates website, mobile app, or through a travel agent. Once you have selected your flight and fare class, proceed to the next step in your booking process. Offline. If you prefer to book your flight over the phone or at an Emirates ticket counter, you can also request wheelchair assistance during this process. 2. Select Special Assistance option. During the booking process, Emirates allows you to select Special Assistance if you need any extra help, including wheelchair services. This option is typically available under the Manage Booking section or while making your reservation online. 3. Specify the type of wheelchair assistance needed, manual wheelchair. For passengers who are able to walk but need assistance to move around the airport. Electric wheelchair. For passengers who are unable to walk for long distances and require powered assistance. Ambulift service. For passengers who need to be transported directly from the terminal to the aircraft, in cases where jet bridges are unavailable. 4. Request assistance. During the booking or post-booking. If you didn't select wheelchair assistance at the time of booking, you can always request it later through the Manage Booking feature on the Emirates website or by calling the Emirates Customer Service Helpline. It's recommended to request assistance at least 48 hours before your flight departure to ensure availability. 5. Provide specific details. When requesting wheelchair assistance, make sure to provide relevant details about your condition. This may include whether you need a manual or electric wheelchair, if you have any additional medical conditions or mobility restrictions, and whether you need help with boarding, deplaning, or transferring between gates. 6. Confirm your request. After submitting the wheelchair request, ensure that Emirates has confirmed your special assistance by checking your booking confirmation. It should clearly indicate the type of assistance you'll receive. 7. Check in early. If you've requested wheelchair assistance, plan to arrive at the airport earlier than usual. While Emirates provides excellent services, arriving early ensures there's ample time for the assistance you need. 8. At the airport. When you arrive at the airport, go to the Special Assistance Desk or directly approach the check-in counters. The Emirates ground staff will assist you with check-in, security, and escorting you through the airport as per your wheelchair request. Be sure to inform the staff if you need help to get to a specific location, such as the gate or lounge. 9. Airplane boarding. Emirates staff will ensure that you're assisted during boarding. They will escort you to the aircraft via a ramp, jet bridge, or ambulift if necessary, and ensure you're comfortably settled in your seat. 10. Arrival and deplaning. Upon arrival at your destination, Emirates will arrange for a wheelchair to help you disembark and assist you through immigration and baggage claim. If you require additional assistance during your onward journey, inform the airline staff before you arrive at the destination. Additional tips. Medical documentation. Although Emirates does not generally require medical documentation for basic wheelchair requests, if you have a specific medical condition, it's advisable to carry a letter from your doctor. Priority security. Passengers using wheelchairs may also be eligible for priority security screening at many airports, ensuring a quicker and less stressful process. Transits. If you have connecting flights, make sure to request wheelchair assistance for all segments of your journey. The airline staff will coordinate to ensure you are escorted between terminals or gates. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and comfortable travel experience with Emirates when using wheelchair services. Always communicate your needs clearly and early in the process, and Emirates will take care of the rest. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.